Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix dead GoPro battery. So first we try to charge this. As you can see that nothing happens. You can leave this forever and it still doesn't charge battery at all. The problem is that this cell has so low voltage that this internal BMS board is not allowed to charge battery anymore. But we can override it. First we need to remove this sticker. We can put this back later. And then use some kind of very thin tool to bend this cap. Like so. And then we can remove this plastic shield. And then there you can see this BMS. I can zoom a little bit so you can see better. So here is the BMS and here is the cell connectors. Okay, so let's measure that voltage from those connectors. It looks like 0.7 volts, so it's not enough for charging. But now we can charge this cell directly from these contacts, so we can override that BMS. I have a lab power supply here. I measured it should be like 4 volts or something. It's 4 volts DC, and I have put down the current low. I don't know how low it is, but maybe 1 ampere is enough, or maybe too much, but nothing more than 1 ampere. So less than 1 ampere is okay to charge this. So now I can hook up these probes. That is minus. I can zoom. So I put this this one is plus, positive, and this is the negative. And now the my power supply will charge this cell directly. I can make I can shoot it from with my phone, so you can see. Okay, so here is the cell, and the cables going to this power supply. This has 2 power supplies, and they are now in series. So the voltage is that 4 point. This light is so bad. 4.2 volts, and the voltage current is like 0.07 amperes. So I can make this more. Let's place it to 1 amp. Okay, so now it's charging with 1 amp. that cell, and we charge this for a while, and after that we gonna put this together and place it in the camera, and it should be charged, this battery, again. Okay, so now the battery has been in power supply for a few minutes. I'm gonna remove the power supply probes, and now we can measure this voltage. It's 3.6 volts. So now we can put this back together. Like that, and then we just put this sticker back. So now the sticker is on, then we can place this back to the camera and put the charger. So that's how you can fix the battery if you have some dead cells which doesn't have enough voltage and the BMS blocking charging.